Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve a full face using only drugstore makeup. So if you would like to see what products I use, keep on watching. For brows, I am keeping it very simple and all I'm using is soap to set them in place. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime my face. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach to prime my eyelids. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start by taking this coral shade and pop that onto the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the purple shade and concentrate that on the outer corner of the lid and the crease. And then blend it using the same brush I used to apply the coral shade. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmering coral shade and the pink one right next to it. I'm going to obviously use my ring finger to apply that to the lid. For now, I'm going to move on to the rest of the face, and for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 405. And I will be blending that out using a e.l.f. beauty sponge and using the same e.l.f. concealer to conceal my under eyes. For powder today, I'm going to use the Fit Me loose setting powder in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to take the same sponge to apply most of the powder. While I let that bake, I'm going to go back into the under eyes and finish that up. So I'm just going to take this yellow shade and use that to smoke out my lower lash line. Taking the same powder on a fluffy brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light. And for contour today, I'm going to be using the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Face Sculpting Palette. And for blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Blush Palette, and I'm going to take this shimmery blush in the corner and mix it with this hot pink one. For highlight, I'm going to go back into the same NYX palette and use the highlight in there. And I'm also going to use the same highlight to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to quickly do lashes off camera. For mascara, I'm wearing a NYX On The Rise, and for lashes, I'm wearing Ardell Wispies. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 15. And that's a full face using only drugstore makeup. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!